Welcome to the SignProx tutorial on configuring SignProx to work with your GPS receiver. To do this, go to Tools and Options and click the GPS tab. You'll need to check with the manufacturer of your GPS receiver to determine the baud rate, whether or not it uses parity, and whether or not it's inverted. You could set these values to match the manufacturer's specifications. You will also need to choose an available COM port. If you have your GPS unit already plugged in, you should see the COM port listed in the drop-down menu. Most GPS receivers that are USB based have a virtual COM port that is created. It'll show up typically as COM 2, 4, or some higher number. COM 1 and 3 are typically reserved for serial ports and modems. This computer only has a physical COM port 1 on the computer. If I connect a GPS receiver and load the drivers properly, it will show up as another COM port, which is what you would choose. You can also set the sensitivity of the GPS receiver to update itself. The higher the number, the more often the GPS receiver will update its location. The update interval you can set, and this will determine how often the GPS receiver will be pulled to get a new location. Currently, the only protocol that's supported is NMEA. In the future, we will also support Garmin devices which use a different protocol. You can also tell whether or not you should keep updating the GPS while you're adding assets. This can be used to update its location after you add an assembly form, and that way when you're finished adding an assembly, the GPS receiver will still be collecting your location by the time you drive to the next one. Once you've set all those features up, you can simply go to Tools and track your location. The tool strip down below will inform you if there are any communication issues with the GPS receiver. Thank you, and that's the tutorial on configuring a GPS receiver to work with SignProx.